In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a high-quality 1080p H.264 video from Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll walk through the exact settings you need for a clean, reliable MP4 that looks great on YouTube and most streaming platforms. Let's get started right from the export window. First, open Export Settings by going to File, then Export, then Media. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac. This brings up the Export panel where all the key options live. Under Format, choose H.264. This creates an .mp4 file, which is widely supported and delivers excellent quality at reasonable file sizes. It's the safest bet for online uploads and general playback compatibility. Next, set your preset. Select high-quality 1080p HD, or if you're uploading online, choose YouTube 1080p Full HD. These presets apply smart defaults tailored for Full HD delivery, and you can still fine-tune details if needed. Now make sure your export matches your sequence. In the Video tab, click Match Source. This keeps your project's frame rate and resolution consistent from timeline to file, which helps avoid unintended changes. Confirm the frame size displays 1920 by 1080. That's the full HD standard and ensures your video exports at the correct dimensions without softening or cropping. Scroll to bitrate settings. Choose VBR 1 pass for a faster export or VBR 2 pass for higher efficiency and potentially cleaner results. VBR stands for variable bitrate, which intelligently allocates more data to complex scenes and less to simple ones. If time allows, 2 pass analyzes your video first, then encodes, often improving quality at the same target bitrate. Set your target bitrate based on your needs. For standard YouTube or streaming, aim between 10 and 20 megabits per second. This range balances quality and file size well. If you want maximum quality and don't mind a larger file, push it to 20 to 30 megabits per second. Remember, higher bit rates mean bigger files and longer upload times. Under additional settings, check render at maximum depth. This can improve color precision during the export. Also enable use maximum render quality, which helps with sharper scaling and better detail, especially if your project includes resizing or lots of effects. These options may increase export time, but are worth it for a polished result. Finally, set your file name and destination by clicking the output name field. When you're ready, click Export to render immediately, or choose Q to send it to Adobe Media Encoder for batch exporting while you keep working. That's it, your 1080p MP4 is on its way.